What's up, Tran?
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning. What's going on, my dude?
We're gonna go on a cruise today.
Yes, sir. We're going to 7-Eleven, of course, because
we gotta fuel up on energy.
you have to fuel up on energy.
And
Bang!
Our sponsor,
Our sponsor, Monster.
That thing is huge.
That's what she said.
But first of all, tell the people about your car.
Yeah, man.
Your
so
car hasn't been introduced yet.
This is the obviously superior Ford Mustang S197 5-liter Coyote. It's a full bolt-on car. It was on E85, but it's just
too much of a hassle here in town.
Yeah. So this is my base model 2013 Mustang GT. It's got intake, manifold, injectors, long boobs, exhaust all the way out. Come here. Corsa exhaust.
Carbon deck lid.
Carbon deck lid. We got the short antenna for the radio. Blacked out badges. I do have the 4 pistons up front. Don't mind the dirty wheels. I had some shitty ass tires on there, and then my homeboy at Big Brand Tire, Big Means Go, I used to work there, shout out. My homeboy Aaron found these off some guy's Mustang, and he was like, "Ben B, do you want them?" And I was like, yeah.
Of course I do.
So I bought them, you know. Other than that, you know, cosmetic stuff like the GT500 spoiler, the Roush front splitter, which is all tore up. It's all fucking, it's destroyed.
Pop the motor really quick for him.
Pop the motor?
Pop the hood.
Imbecile. Listen, I can't do that while you're putting your hands on me, man. Bitches and sluts, that's hot.
Damn, that's hot. JLT intake, just like your boy. But holy shit, that thing is scary. Damn.
Bitches, that's hot, dude.
The manifold.
Ported. Funny story about this. When I bought it, there's supposed to be like a sticker that goes in that square thing. And when I got the box, the stickers were all ruined. So that was probably the worst day of my life. You got a catch can. Coney struts in the front. Coney shocks in the back. The orange, non-adjustable. I think I have J&M camber caster plates. Other than that,
she's pretty much stock.
Stock coolant.
Yeah, that's true.
Dude, he's just watching us. You think he's a subscriber?
Get closer. Great job. You scared him off, dude. Nice Subi.
They don't know that you crashed and burned your Subi, huh?
I didn't crash it.
You burned it.
It burned down on its own. It was a
AJ did
spontaneous combustion.
Shout out AJ.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the lights.
Yeah, shout out AJ.
Yeah.
For the time bomb. Just went to 7-Eleven. Today's sponsor is Monster Energy. As you can tell,
Gotta wear these freaking
always
masks.
have your mask, dog.
But so I bought this. I wanted it to be a secret, but I figured
Are you gonna tell the people?
Yeah, I figured you'd guys be the first people to know. But it's in the trunk.
What is it?
Just they gotta see it, man.
Oh,
it's freaking hit
fuck.
it. So she's on a little 100 shot of nitrous so far.
Oh, fuck! Woo! That's right.
It's easily detachable to fill up pretty easy.
Detached. Where's your bottle heater?
It's in here somewhere.
Check it out. Got a Cobra replica. Nice. Yeah. There's that Subi again. So we're back at the place that we started the video off, and we're gonna go through Little Mexico over here. Sheesh. fucking loud, man. Well, it's easy for that guy. All he has to do is step on the gas. There's no thinking required. Alright, so we made it to the area of southern Mexico, California. Get the tires a little warm. If you didn't know, that's why they do this in NASCAR. They do this kind of motion just to get the tires warm. So the compound of the tire gets hot, right? And it becomes more sticky because it's rubber. So more sticky, more grip. Noise. Martine's going nowhere. Sound good though, that's for sure.
like it.
No, I told you. All right, so we made it to the spot, man.
Yeah.
With Martine's car over here and the 5-lead tray. So, oh, it's the Wild Hogs.
Damn, there's a lot of those fools.
Yeah, it's a nationwide gang, dude. Anyways, so we just what was the fly?
They're still chasing you.
So,
Oh yeah,
yeah, it is a truck.
It's the Hog Riders again
The Hog Riders,
though. Isn't that what you said?
the Wild Hogs. Oh my gosh, dude, uncultured. All right, so this is where we're gonna end the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, so next time we post something gangster, you'll be able to get it.
Peace out.